graham crackers, melted butter, and mix it well. Freeze it for 1 hour. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and mix it well. Now take some mushrooms and broil it for 1 minute. Now add it in butter mixture. Then mix. When the butter is ready, place it on the top of cake sponge. Freeze it for 1 hour. Now take it out and cut it into pieces. Now cook a stick on top of its pieces. Freeze it for 1 hour. Now fill it with chocolate batter. Cake pop sticks is ready. Eat it and enjoy its flavor.